Meet the kiwi bird, New Zealand's adorable, flightless icon. Kiwis are like no other bird. They can't fly, they're nocturnal, and they have a round, fluffy body with a long, pointed beak. In fact, their beaks are special. They have nostrils at the tip, helping them sniff out insects and worms underground. These shy birds are expert diggers, using their strong legs to create burrows. And get this, their eggs are enormous, making up about 20% of the mother's body weight. That's like a human giving birth to a toddler. Sadly, kiwis are endangered due to predators and habitat loss, but conservation efforts are helping them make a comeback. With their unique traits and charm, kiwis are a true treasure of the animal kingdom. Follow for more amazing animal facts.